So this is my 7th month coming for another visit to Dr. Bolton's office, my hero. My surgery is just, it's absolutely phenomenally incredible. Please call me, email me. I mean, I'm just so excited that he did such an amazing job. Every time I walk in the door and he says, where is the line? I can't see it, it's getting smaller and smaller. And now I'm the first one in the pool, and I want to stay in the pool, and I want to be in the pool. I don't think I've enjoyed my pool so much. Thank you, Dr. Bolton, I have a pool. I just can't even imagine anyone not doing something like this. It's amazing.
I was really thinning up through the front and in the back. I wanted to get this filled in through the front and then also the top. Sat in a chair, watched a couple movies. The staff was very pleasant. And, matter of fact, if you met him on the street, you'd never know he was a doctor. Good sense of humor, and he made it painless. I don't know if people were looking at my hairline before. Now, I have no worries that they are. It was a great experience, well worth the money that I paid. I know I would have paid just the same, if not more, for less of a service elsewhere. And from start to finish, it was 5 stars.
Probably the age of 32, 34, that is when I started to lose my hair. I was born with a bald spot on my left-hand side. I had no hair where it just met my forehead. I saw the before and after pictures and they were amazing. It's just a couple of hours, it feels like watching a comedy show the whole time. Big time, I feel young. It's something I don't have to worry about my hair. I can now go to a short hairstyle now. Thank you very much, Dr. Bolton, for a good job.
I'm very happy with the results that I got after only 1 year. I feel much better. I'm much more confident, and overall, much happier. Dr. Bolton did a great job. I worked with Dr. Bolton for a few years, discussing different procedures that might work for me. The day of my procedure was very good, not even particularly that much pain. I feel much better about myself when I wake up in the morning and get to run that comb through something that's not just a chrome dome. My weight seems to be more of an issue than my hairline these days. I have to just highly recommend Dr. Bolton and his procedure. A lot of bang for the buck.
I first noticed my hair loss about 39 years old. There was very minimal pain. It was a little discomfort, but just like any procedure I would assume, but a couple of Advil and I was fine. It's nice to not to try to hide it in the mirror and try to comb it each way. It just grew in. It's fantastic. With Dr. Bolton as well, this was the best results I've ever had. There was no scarring. There was no pain. I've recommended Dr. Bolton to quite a few people. Dr. Bolton, for all your help. It's fantastic. I love my new hair.